Robert Scoble, and I'm the Startup Liaison Officer for Rackspace, and we're here at TechCrunch Disrupt, meeting all sorts of interesting entrepreneurs over the next few days. Let's get right into it, because I'm seeing a lot of cool mobile apps. Who are you?
So my name is Ran. I'm the co-founder of Scringo. Scringo actually helps turn every mobile app, Android and iOS currently, into a social network. Basically, we're saying that an app has its users, and users have at least one thing in common if they use the certain app. So we're creating a community out of the users, and adds many features into this app.
So you're a bar that a developer would build into, a social bar that they would build into the app. So it works on what, Android and iOS?
Currently in Android and iOS. Okay. Hopefully, depends on Microsoft and Nokia. We're going to add Windows Phone 8 soon. And other platforms such as PhoneGap and Corona SDK and Titanium.
And it's what, a couple lines of code for
Just one line of code.
Objective-C, or
as you can see here in Android. It's one line of code to add to your project. My best record was 4 minutes to add it. Yep. So I'm sure it can be done in less.
So this bar, what does it add to it? What kinds of features does it?
So we divided into several groups. First of all, which is now available, is the social discover group. We're saying that, as I told you before, if a couple of users have the same interest here, so they want you to, there's a reason for interaction there, for a community. So for example, there's the radar feature, where you can see other people that are using the app right now next to you. You can have an inbox feature when you can chat both directly with users, I mean user to user, and user to developer, both ways.
Can you show me the bar just so I can see what it looks like?
Let's take that back.
Yeah. And it just swipes in?
Yeah, it swipes in from the right.
So it just swipes in?
Yeah.
Oops, sorry. Here. I got into your NASCAR app.
We love NASCAR, so.
So it just is a bar that swipes in over the
Yeah, it swipes here. It works great also both ways. Swipes in from the right, you can take it back.
Yep.
All right.
Yep, there you go. Yep.
I feel like a commercial here.
Yeah.
So it's swiping from the right really easily. You can add whatever features you like. You can change it, fully customizable in terms of theme and color.
So the developer has choice of what components show up on the bar?
Yeah, of course.
That's why I just wanted to make this, so people get a sense of what it does. And so you can add a radar that shows you other people using this app?
For example, a radar that shows you who's nearby you right now, or whatever the developers choose. I mean, you can choose that 8 hours in the last 8 hours who was available. That's an example. The inbox feature is really cool. Today there's no both-way communication between a developer and a user. So now you can also talk to a developer, direct to him, and ask him questions, and the developer can also direct a question or whatever to a user. I mean, to a certain user or to a group of users in a certain cut, whether it's an iOS cut or whatever. So there is a both-way direction communication here. Also, currently we have a feed, which is actually like a Twitter for inside the app. Developer can choose which activity can be displayed in the feed.
So can it show things like who followed me or who liked me?
There's a follow and followers and following, and you can directly talk to the person. You can check in your profile here. Yep. Currently via Twitter and Facebook. In the next also for LinkedIn and Google Plus.
Is there any way to integrate into the content of the app itself? Because, like, if my brother built an app, he's a bar owner, and he would want drink mixes and fun games and stuff like that. Could the profile pull data from that in?
Yeah, from that inside to the app itself.
Okay.
So that's cool.
Very cool. So the app has lots of features for a developer to play with and add functionality.
It's an in-app feature place. Our vision actually is to create a community of features. We call it an in-app feature place. And that's funny because people, from Singapore and from India are already developing stuff, featured for us that they would like to see inside of our Scringo Social SDK.
How much does a developer have to pay to use this?
Nothing. It's totally free.
So how do you guys make money?
Okay, so as I told you, we divided the groups into 3 currently. Social discovery is a big issue for us right now, and we're going with it. The engagement feature set is going to be launched soon. There we're going to make feedback features and community features that, we missed the forum activity from the web experience into the mobile, so we're going to make it into the mobile as well. And the third one is the monetization features. I don't need to tell you that today there is like 3 ways of making money out of apps. There's like the in-app purchases that are relevant for specific apps, advertising, banners really crappy for now, and don't make money for app developers, and paid apps, which are also very niche. So we make with a really new way of making money from an app, relevant, based on the content of the app. We can't disclose too much of it now, but it's coming soon. And that's the big thing about us. We're going to help developers make money, and that's probably the rev share, the business model.
It's phone only right now. Are you going to do iPad?
It's also compatible for iPad.
Oh, okay.
We have a full admin zone in our website, the developer zone, the dashboard, when you can control almost everything. From theme choose and feature choose, and you can do basically everything until statistics and analytics, and actually CRM for your users, which is pretty cool. That's the new thing that we brought now. We are sort of in a silent beta mode for the past 4 weeks now, since we launched our website. We have almost 70 apps integrated with Scringo right now, both iOS and Android. Almost 200,000 end users using the apps that use the Scringo social bar. We're learning so much right now. Feedbacks and people are, that's the amazing thing. We had a guy from Singapore just the other week asked us to do something for him, and we were just working together and adding more themes and more features.
So your company's pretty early right now? Tell me what stage your company's
in. We're bootstrapped right now, hoping and going to close our first round in the next month. Starting the journey, the journey towards the
it's cool. It's a cool feature for developers to add into their apps. Is there anything else I need to know about it? It's pretty straightforward what it does.
Yeah, it's really easy to integrate. So if you want to add it, you can go to www.scringo.com. Follow us on Facebook and Twitter and get updates. Our beta is out right now, and the vision is the big idea here. It's not just another tool, another tool for developers. It's to actually help create a community out of apps, and there's a really big concept there, and we're chasing that concept.
Very cool. Where do I learn more about it?
www.scringo.com.
Very cool. Thank you so much for coming in, and good luck here at TechCrunch.
Thanks.